Hi ho my fuzzy friends, and welcome to a new video on my furry YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but at the moment I got really big time issues, which makes it hard to really find time to create and especially cut a video for you. The editing takes so much time, therefore I'm sorry to give you just a few videos a year. I hope it's gonna be better, but that's what I hope every time. So now let's come to the actual topic of the video. I talk about how hard it is to be a furry in times of Corona. Don't worry, I won't be talking a lot about Corona itself, because I know a lot of you don't want to hear it and don't want to discuss about it because it's a hard topic, it's keeping people depressed, and I totally get that. So imagine taking a seat next to me on the couch and relaxing and philosophizing and talking about one of your points regarding being a furry in times of Corona. One factor that is very important and bad is loneliness. It's something that accompanies each one of us from time to time, especially now. The word depression has also been in the German Twitter trends, and I used it to create a post and it got a lot of attention. Therefore I see that depression is a really serious topic right now in times of Corona. And I think it comes because a lot of people are lonely. I don't know whether in English there is a difference between being alone and being lonely. Alone is the fact that you are alone at home, and being lonely is the fact that you feel lonely. You might not even be alone, but you feel lonely, you feel depressed, you feel left behind, you feel all alone. That's what I want to say with feeling lonely. When people feel lonely, they tend to think about themselves. They think about, what have I done? What do I want in my life? Who am I? And a lot of these thoughts might be destructive, and this is really serious. What I can tell by my experience is go outside if you have the chance to. Go into, for example, the forest. Go to the sea if there is one nearby, and spend some time outside in the nature. You can't imagine how helpful this is. Don't use your phone, maybe listen to some music and relax, enjoy your time in the nature. I myself do this very often, and I know it might help you too. But what I also need to say is that there is no perfect recipe against depression and depressed people, and I know it's really serious, and I'm not a doctor. Therefore, I hope it's getting better soon. I just hope that. At the moment, it's really hard to meet friends. Lockdown is the big keyword here. Although, at least in Germany, you're allowed to meet in small groups, having a distance of 1.5 meters and wearing this protectional masks. At least this is a start. But for example, some of my friends have the problem that they don't want to meet other people because of Corona, or they can't because they live at their parents' house and the parents are part of the risky group, which shouldn't be infected because they have a high risk to die. I totally get that. But there are also people celebrating own parties. There are these Corona parties, but for example in my neighborhood there was someone doing barbecue together with I think 3 or 4 other friends and family, which make them about, I don't know, it were 12 to 15 people celebrating and having a barbecue. That's also what people do. More and more. That's mainly because in Germany, since March, we are not able to meet. And German people at all don't want to obey for too long. There is so much resistance against the Corona lockdown that really, I don't really want to talk about that. But just for you to understand that a lot of German people have a problem with this Corona lockdown. And now we come to furries. A big furry problem is that a lot of furries don't have friends nearby. You have to travel to meet friends. I need to travel several hundred kilometers to meet a lot of my friends, and this is really bad when it comes to Corona, because it was hard to get to some parts of Germany because of the lockdown. There were police stations, police officers checking the cars, ask you where you want to go, and that's making it really hard. Of course, there are a lot of people having online friendships. I also do have a lot of furry friends online, but I am one of the persons who likes to meet other people. I like to cuddle. I like to hug people. I like to be in physical contact with other people. well, at least the borders of most parts of Europe are open or will open soon. Therefore, I'm finally able to meet some friends in, for example, Switzerland. Another big point, at least in Germany, is group meetups, furry meetups. There are lots of furry gatherings and small meets in whole Germany, and they were forbidden. And I know that when they are able to take place again, there might be big trouble because they have fursuit lounges and they are really small. It's not even able to have a physical distance to other people getting in and out of their fursuit. And more important, for a lot of furries in Germany, the monthly gathering was kind of a highlight of the month. It doesn't take place since March, I think since March, or even February? No, I think it was March. This makes it hard for some furries who really want to get in contact with other furries, have fun, have a barbecue, talk, laugh, snuggle, everything. And this will enforce the feeling of loneliness. I really do understand that. And it's not just small meetups, it's also big furry conventions. It is something that ruined the year 2020 for a lot of furries. Except for a small furry con called Furvester, which takes place at New Year's Eve, there is no big furrycon in Germany. There is no East Furrycon, there is no Eurofurence, there is no Golden Leaves Con in Switzerland. Most, or I don't know, almost every big furrycon in Germany, and I also think Europe, does not take place this year. And I saw a lot of furries posting on Facebook and Twitter that 2020 really sucks because they are not able to meet their friends at local or not even local furry conventions all over the world. You can also tell me how it works in the United States, whether there are big furry cons or whether they aren't. I don't really know what Trump is planning, therefore comment down below if you have any further information. What also makes life hard for us now is the political agenda that's currently, at the moment, everything political. And also this Black Lives Matter topic. I know it's important, but I won't talk about it now. But all this political stuff going on, all this conspiracy theories about Corona, I don't know, Bill Gates, whatever. All of this makes it hard to feel safe and sound at home and in your own country. The result in Germany was, due to every furry convention not taking place except for Furvester, that everyone wanted to go to Furvester. I'm also not quite innocent. It's like, okay, every German furry con does not take place except for Furvester. I need to go to Furvester. And I think a lot of furries thought that, and therefore the Ladencon, how people called Eurofurence, was the same problem for this little furry con called Furvester. And I don't know whether it takes place or how it takes place, but I'm really looking forward to it and see how many people get there. And what will happen after Corona? Well, I can only think about it, and I'm not quite sure, because we don't have any plans or anything that's safe that will happen. Let's imagine the lockdown would be over. What next? This is my personal opinion, but I think a lot of furries use the opportunity to go to local furry meetups and go to conventions, especially now, as for example 2021, Corona's over. A lot, more than ever, people would plan to go to Eurofurence. The Eurofurence registration process was cancer this year, and it will be cancer next year, I know that. And East Furrycon found a good solution. You were able to take a registration and push it to next year. This was a really good idea, because you don't have to go through this horrible registration process again. And I also think the local furry meetups might get the problem, because there will be too many furries wanting to go to the same furry meetup, because there has not been any for more than 3 or 4 months. And I think this might be a really problem for the organizers of this local furry meetup. I hope this will all be over soon, because a lot of people here in Germany behave like total bastards, mainly because everything sucks right now. And I totally get that. I totally get everyone who thinks, oh my god, this year sucks. I get that. All we can do is wait and make the best of it. But before I come to the end, I got some positive news. I rescued this cute, oh my god, this cute, work husky work, I rescued this cutie, this cute husky. It was close to a trash can when I went through a city, and I rescued him. I put him into the washing machine, and now he's smelling really good, and he's saying hi. And therefore I rescued this big, snuggly, cute husky. And so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, more of this cute husky. I don't know, I'm just thinking of a name for him. And over there you get to 2 more videos. I hope you guys and girls are having a nice rest of the day, week, or whenever you're watching this video. Stay awesome and fluffy, guys. Bye bye.